Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with Jael, and today we're going to be making bacon garlic pasta. Our ingredients today are bacon, any kind of bacon, oil, salt, and garlic powder, and spaghetti noodles. Now we're gonna put the noodles in the boiling water with some salt. Now we're gonna crack the noodles if you want to, a pinch of salt, and we're gonna cook it for 10 minutes. Now we're gonna put a tablespoon of olive oil in the pot. Then our bacon. And we're gonna cook the bacon until it gets crispy. Now we're going to be adding garlic powder, but you could use garlic cloves if you want to. Now we're gonna stir it up. Now we're going to add the rest of our oil and keep stirring. Now we're going to put our 2.5 cups of water that we used for our spaghetti noodles back into the pot. Then we're going to add our bacon. Now we're going to stir it up. Until everything's mixed. Don't forget to cut your heat up. Now we're going to add black pepper and a pinch of salt for taste. Salt. And pepper. Now we're going to mix it. Now that the spaghetti is done and we are going to plate it, we had to add a couple more seasonings, but it still tastes really good. Put it behind us. Looks yummy. Now we're gonna add parsley and cheese. Who's hungry? Let's try our dish. Really good. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and subscribe the JRuss Way and follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Bye. See you next time.